Well, after that first attempt with using the tree structures for supports, I thought, well, I should try again using the other method. I don't have high hopes for it, but I thought, well, if nothing else, it completes the set. So in addition to doing different supports here, I've also I did make a raft for this, which is what I typically don't do anyway. So let's find out how that turned out. Get these guys off the platform. And let's see how they turned out. And if this breaks clean, might have turned out okay. And I can see it's not going to be super clean. Yeah, it looks very, very similar to the problem that I had with my mug. So I'm thinking this also didn't work out, but that'll it would have bothered me had I not at least tried. Yeah, it definitely does not make for a smooth surface. Yeah, so not a fan. Either that or what I need to do is I need to look at some tutorials or something and see if there's more of an art to this, because that finish is pretty rough. I think these worked better than the other one. The kind of the squiggly, zigzaggy ones, I don't know if there's a formal name for it, worked better than the what looked like kind of like tree supports. And these things do come off much easier when they're a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. And I wonder if that would have been an option. The only problem is then the problem that I'm having with the texture here, and I'm not sure the camera is picking it up, but I can definitely feel it under my thumb there. Then that would have been over the top of the camera just kicked off. It may be getting time to get a new camera. It is the Christmas season. Maybe I need to ask for a new camera. Hey, if anyone wants to think about getting me a camera, I don't have a Patreon or anything like that. Say, hey, there, Frame and Metal Works. Let's get you a new GoPro or whatever the next best or the best or better equivalent to what a GoPro does. Anyway, yeah, that didn't work for this. The texture is just too rough compared to the nice smooth texture. Okay, well, I'll have to double check. I think when I upload this, it may even be after Christmas before this thing shows up. But this might, if it is the one that's after Christmas, then I think that does it for the year. At which point then, coming up, starting for the next year, I gotta think about something for my musical intro. I may need to start seriously thinking about that. I'll check. I don't know what the schedule is. Anyway, that other method, it just didn't work. Easily the best method for 3D printing these coins is to do the two halves separately and then join them together like I've been doing. All right, I'm going to wrap this one up. If it is, how about this? I'll just Merry Christmas. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas, and hope everyone has a great New Year's. Stay safe out there, and I hope and pray that God pours out His blessings on each and every one of you who is sticking with me in this channel. It's the season. All right. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.